Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caesar salad dressing without mayonnaise. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including garlic, anchovies, and a fresh lemon. Mince 2 cloves of garlic and 2 anchovy fillets very finely to ensure they blend smoothly into the dressing. Next, whisk 1 large egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard in a medium bowl. This combination forms the essential emulsified base for your rich and creamy dressing. Now, let's build that classic Caesar flavor. While continuously whisking the egg yolk and mustard mixture, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This gradual addition is crucial for creating a stable emulsion. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for a bright, tangy kick. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese to give your dressing a savory, umami depth. With the main components combined, it's time to perfect your dressing. Season generously with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, or to your personal taste. If the dressing is too thick, you can adjust its consistency by whisking in 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold water until it reaches your desired pourable texture. Always taste your dressing and balance the flavors, adding more lemon juice or salt if needed. Once your delicious homemade Caesar dressing is complete, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and flavorful for 3 to 5 days. This dressing is perfect for classic Caesar salads, but also works wonderfully as a dip or marinade. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Enjoy your fresh, mayo-free Caesar dressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.